So the crochet chains are something very simple to be done. We start with a simple knot, like this. Tie a knot. Insert the hook inside this loop that we created with the knot and adjust the yarn like this. Adjust it to the hook size, okay? And what we're going to do, you just pass the hook like this through the yarn and enter the yarn in the loop. So, embrace the yarn like this, and with the crochet hook pointed like this, pass the yarn inside the chain. And you will do this procedure as many times as you need, according to the amount of chains you have to do for your crochet piece. So you can see here that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. We have 8 chains in this piece. So I already showed you how to do the single crochet in the magic ring, and now I'm going to show you how to do the single crochet in a plain crochet piece. So instead of inserting in the first chain, because look what would happen if I insert here in the first one, the yarn enters the chain and we lose it. I will do it again. I enter in the first chain and the yarn escapes through this chain, this loop. So every time we crochet in a plain piece like this, we start in the second chain, not the first one, the second. So I enter the chain, yarn over, bring the yarn to the front part of the piece, and yarn over again. I'll do it one more time. Enter the chain, yarn over, bring the yarn to the front part of the piece. I have 2 loops here in my crochet hook, always with the hook pointing down, and I pass the yarn through both loops. And this is what we are going to do until we get to the end of this crochet piece. And here it is.